In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your bank account to Shopify through a simple step-by-step tutorial. Whether you're new to Shopify or just looking to streamline your payment methods, this guide will walk you through the process with clarity and ease. So let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the Shopify admin interface. Make sure you're logged into your Shopify account and you're on the home page of your store. Once you're there, take a look at the left-hand side of the screen where you'll find the settings option. Go ahead and click on it. This will lead you to a page with multiple settings categories that allow for various customizations of your store. Now that you're in the Settings menu, look for the option labeled Payments. Clicking on Payments is your gateway to managing how you receive funds from your store's transactions. It's crucial to select this because all your payment methods, including your bank accounts, are organized here. Once the Payment section is open, your next task is to find and click on the button labeled Add Payment Method. This is a pivotal step as it lets you specify exactly which financial channel, like your bank account, you'd want Shopify to connect with for future transactions. Next, you'll be prompted to either search by payment method or by provider. Let's focus on searching by payment method first. You'll see a search bar where you will enter details related to your bank account. Shopify supports a variety of banks, so proceed to find your specific bank in the list. After locating your bank, follow through with on-screen instructions to successfully link your bank account. Alternatively, if you're looking to input your bank information more directly, you could choose the option to search by provider. This alternative offers another way to connect with the exact banking service that aligns with your account. As you type in the provider's information, you'll be presented with options to enter your bank details securely. Once you have inputted all necessary information into Shopify, make sure to verify that all data entered is correct. Confirming everything ensures that your transactions move smoothly from your Shopify store directly to your bank account. And there you have it. You've successfully added your bank account to your Shopify store. Not only will this make managing your store finances much easier, but it also means your store is now ready to receive payments promptly and securely. Feel free to repeat this process if you need to add multiple payment methods or bank accounts. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Shopify tips and tutorials.